Let's try this again. It's raining like a monsoon. There's a truck parked in the neighbor's driveway because they can't see driving down the road. And Dan's out in the garage, stuck in the garage. And it's been raining like this. Get off of me. It's been raining like this for quite a while. And yeah. He might just have to hightail it and run for the house. So, yeah, let's look out front. So this is out front. And I don't know if you can see them or not, but there's a truck over in the neighbor's driveway with its four-ways on. Cars are like driving down the road with four-ways on because they can't see. And there's they pulled in the neighbor's driveway waiting out the rain, which I don't blame them. It's terrible, but it's been doing this for like 5 to 10 minutes. Here's my angel. You can see the water running down the driveway. I don't know what's going on. I knew we were supposed to have rain today, but I didn't know it was supposed to do this. And it is hotter than hot outside. Over there's a field in the woods. Can't even see it. Let me go look out the other door. So this is what's going on out back now. I don't know. It just, we were supposed to get rain today and I didn't know it was supposed to do this. Hi.
Hi.
He's stuck in the garage. What? There's a truck parked in Dawn's driveway with its four-ways on. It pulled off because of the rain. 2 other cars were behind it with its four-ways on, but they kept going. I don't know what's going on. I knew we had rain coming, but I didn't think it was going to be a monsoon.
About ready to just like hang the cedar up and just come in, take a bath, and we'll go for Maybe I can do that what I wanted to do tomorrow.
Can you do it on your lunch break or in the morning?
I ain't gonna do that.
But anyways, people, this is what's going on. It's like a monsoon.
Ain't bad now.